Hello again, everybody. The next car that you selected to view on where, Jeremy?
Once again, we're at ClassicMuscleCars.com.
Beautiful Wakanda, Illinois, and I have an exciting another arrival for you and another deal, folks. You're not going to be able to
It's a goater.
If you're looking for a GTO, you got to buy this car. You know why? I'm going to tell you why. 69 400 automatic air factory tack, rear wing in the back, which Jeremy's going to show you, and the flip folding headlights. In my mind, folks, and I love these cars, if they don't got flip folders, they just don't look cool enough, okay? Now, I'm not knocking the other guys that's got GTOs that don't got flip folders. They're really cool cars.
This just isn't the look, man.
With the Enduro nose on this car and the flip folding headlights, it gives you that custom look that you only get from a 68, 69 GTO with flip folding headlights. Now, this car is hot looking. Look at the body on this car. Black, white interior. Oh my God, it's awesome. It's an incredible color combination. It's a beautiful car. Now, I want to tell you something else, folks. This car is going to be priced under $25,000. It's going to be closer to $20,000. Do you realize what kind of a buy that is? This car was a restored car already, folks. We're not talking original car. This car's been gone through. I brought it up here. I turned the air on. It was blowing cool. It's awesome. You can get in this car, roll up the windows, 100 degrees out, turn the air on. Right, Jeremy?
That's right, man.
One heck of a buy here, folks, at ClassicMuscleCars.com. The new ClassicMuscleCars.com, where you can buy a car and you can save a whole lot of money because you're getting a whole lot of car for the money. Right, Jeremy?
You're getting a whole lot of value. You can't build the car for what we're selling it to you for.
Absolutely. Gorgeous car. Give us a call at 847-526-5950. This car is not going to last, folks, and especially at that kind of money, no way, no how. You got to get on the phone, give us a call, email us. Get more pictures. It's going to be here for a little while. We're sending out just to do a few things to it because we just got it in. But give us a call, 847-526-5950, and it is a blast from the past, right, Jeremy?
A beautiful blast from the past.
Now, talking about a blast from the past, I got somebody to bring you up here for a blast from the past. So, hey, Randy, come here. This is a new blast from the past.
Get this. Thank you, sir. Just reintroducing myself.
We're talking about a blast of the past. Here's a blast of the past. This guy used to be with us for many years. Now he's back. He is the guy that's going to carry the hammer here. This is the new general manager for ClassicMuscleCars.com, and Randy was with us up until 2002. How you doing there, Randy? What do you want to say to the folks today, man?
The buck stops here.
Oh,
that's
right.
my job.
The buck stops here, man.
That's right.
Randy, do you believe these deals that we went and videoed today? Can you believe these cars for this kind of money?
No, absolutely not. In fact, when you told me what you were buying, I figured, okay, we're going to get 3 cars that need to be worked. We have to do this or that. But this SX over here is another example. I'm just flabbergasted by the quality. That Camaro, this GTO, and more coming in the line. I do not believe the prices that we're going to be able to offer these cars at. It's you can't pass it up.
Absolutely. You know, in the day of high gas prices and higher restoration costs, you know what? We're going to kill all of that stuff, man.
Right.
You can't believe the cars that we've got coming in for the prices. You can't believe these cars here either for the money, folks. They can't be restored for the money that we're selling them for. Right, Randy?
That's right. And you folks come in, Tony or myself, the buck stops here. We will handle anything. We will find anything for you. If these cars aren't enough, he's got 20 more coming in. Same price range. We're going to rock the world again just like we did back in the day.
Randy, I want to welcome you back officially, buddy.
Right on, man.
Give this guy a call. He's a great guy. He knows what he's talking about. We got some of the best cars in the country for price, bar none, no word. No BS, just a fact. We'll talk to you soon. Now I'm going to turn you over to Jeremy. He's going to give you a go-around. 69 GTO black, beautiful white interior, 400 automatic air with a factory tag.
Let's go for a walk around this beautiful 69 goater. It's quite nice. It's got the PMD wheels, rally wheels. Pontiac Motor Division. Nice rear wing. It's got nice GTO side marker light. Chrome of the bumper's looking quite good. Rear antenna. Side chrome's looking nice as well. It's got a nice look with those folding headlights, doesn't it? Let's open the hood. This was definitely a two-handed operation because, unlike the Cutlass SX over there, this one is a real steel hood. As you can see, it's an air-conditioned car with everything intact. Power steering, power brakes. An HEI style ignition. Actually, it's an HEI ignition. On the inside, we have the remote mirror here. Back deck looks reasonably fresh. Interior looks possibly original. Carpets look nice in the back. It says 14,222 on the odometer. It's got the temperature generator and oil pressure lights. It's got an in-dash Pioneer cassette. And we gotta start this thing up. Let's see what it sounds like. The AC is on. And yes, it is getting cool. Lighter's looking great. Functional dome lamp. Got a remote antenna switch. Let's check out the trunk. Antenna does work, by the way. We just lower it so we can open the trunk. Looking inside the trunk here, it's the space spare, big space where the spare should be. But it's done quite nicely in that spatter finish. Looking pretty original and pretty clean. Here's the power antenna. Soft seal looks fresh. It is fresh. Very nice. Got a pair of wires here. One of them is obviously for a trunk light, and the other one's for the remote actuator on the trunk lock. Very nice. Once again, the chrome is looking pretty nice there as well. There we have it. 69 GTO. Black, white interior. Good looking car. Phenomenal price. Part of the 3 new cars that we've got. All brought to you by ClassicMuscleCars.com.